Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Loto Lock Tuesday. Lockout, tagout locks. Hashtag it Loto Lock Tuesday for all the videos in this series. They get collected up, put on a playlist on my channel, and you can win yourself a brand new Master Lock 410. Today I'm going to try and pick a Master Lock 410. Brand new. One of the new ones. That's the key number 402K583. It's the 7000B Keyway. This is the box. So that's the model 410 KA, key to light, W 7000 is their Keyway identifier, yellow. And that's the key and number. There's the bidding. It's looking smooth. Going in with a 15th thou. Not sure what this one is. One that fits. That's the 7000B Keyway. Lighting's not the best. I'm not in the lock lab. Set up in the cat's room. So I'm going to try and pick from the bottom. There's that warding there that you get stuck on. So you've got to try and pick from an angle, go that way. Nice and light tension, you're just sort of letting your finger touch the tension wrench. You're not really putting that much force on it, it's like feather light. Now these are tiny pins, so you get tiny clicks. I've got serrations. And I'm just picking warding, so let's adjust the angle. Just working from the back, a bit of counter rotation. Gonna have to keep adjusting my magnifiers, my glasses, because I've broken both the arms and it's delicately balanced. Now we'll see how long this takes me to pick. I haven't picked a 410 in a very long time. Haven't picked a 6-pinner in a long time. Haven't really picked anything much in a long time. Counter rotation and core rotation. If you want to see these Master Lock 410s picked with talent and speed, check out the co-host of the Lockout, Tagout Lock, Loto Lock Tuesday series, the Sadistic Picker, link in the description below. They just breeze through these, they love picking them. Let me know in the comments below what your hints are for picking these 410 Master Locks. They're considered a milestone lock because they are a 6-pinner. So up from the 5 they have spools. So you get counter rotation and they have serrations. Either a serrated pin or serrations on the spools. Struggling to get to the back of the lock. Adjusting angles. Counter rotation on 5 or 6. But it doesn't want to pick it. Just the angle. Okay, that's counter rotation and it's set. Core rotation. Or counter rotation. Just working my way through to the front of the locks, trying to find any binders. And these are tiny little pins, so you do need to get right on them. Counter rotation there. Oh, something shifted. What happened then? Oh yes, we have an open. Delicately only turn it to 90 degrees. Don't go past there or you will drop. All the pins will just fall into the lock. It doesn't have a Bible in there. There we go. Very cool. That is very cool to have my first master lock open in a very long time. That's a nice start to the series. Let's lock it back up so we don't forget which way up is. So just go to your, there you go, heard all the pins set, nice and locked up again. And the lock still works. Awesome. Do check out the Sadistic Picker, awesome co-host this year. I'm set up in my cat's room. This is my girl. She's trying to get to sleep while I'm doing this. She's pretty comfortable. We're on day 15 of May Have a Week to Live, so that's pretty good. So we've got her set up here with her food, water, meds and stuff. This is a little table I set up for myself, so I've got room to put stuff. But yeah, she's still with us. She's enjoying life, still chasing mice, doing all the cat things she likes doing. That's where they shaved her to do the ultrasound. Thanks for watching. Check out the Sadistic Picker, link in the description below. Join in on the Lockout, Tagout Lock, Loto Lock Tuesday series. So any video you do that has a Lockout, Tagout Lock in it, put the hashtag Loto Lock Tuesday so we can find it. Put it on the playlist and others can check it out. You could win yourself a brand new Master Lock 410. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.